principles of account, past question number 8. The purchase of generators, 2 generators by Hassan Electronics Enterprises, should be recorded as option A says an acquisition of fixed assets. Yes, it's an acquisition of fixed assets, but that is not how it will be recorded. It's a fixed asset account item. Okay, it's a fixed asset account item, and it's an asset item. So fixed asset accounts acquisition, we acquired, so we are receiving it. Okay, then B, an asset and expenses in its general office account. It's an expenses but not in general office accounts. Okay. C, acquisition of stock in Hassan Electronics Enterprises. Yes, generator is a stock, but in this point of this company, generator may not be their own inventory, their own stock. So it's an acquisition of fixed assets rather than in the form of stock. D, as a part of capital in the capital account. It's a capital but not in capital account, because it's from the capital account that we pull that money to buy generator. So option A, which is an acquisition in fixed assets, is the right option. This question is looking at the accounting principles. Accounting principles with respect to the debits double entry, respect to the double entry principles. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.